FTIR spectrometers come in many shapes and sizes. Conventional FTIR instruments are usually controlled with a laptop or desktop PC. More recently, however, touchscreen operation was introduced and has since revolutionized the user experience in infrared spectroscopy. For this series of educational FTIR videos, we are using an Alpha 2 operated by Opus Touch. Changing accessories and adapting the instrument to the sample conditions is a usual approach in FTIR spectroscopy. Right now the Alpha is equipped with a standard transmission module, but we are switching it to the most common technique used, the Attenuated Total Reflection. This yellow zinc selenide crystal is where the measurement takes place. Infrared light passes through the crystal and interacts with the material on top, providing molecular information. This method is fast and easy, non-destructive and universally applicable. Analyze any solid, like powders, pellets or finished products. ATR is also suitable to investigate pastes, oils and other liquids. Cleaning the ATR accessory is very easy and absolutely hassle-free. Thanks for watching and learn more in our next videos.